From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Kevin Appleby with your CNET evening forecast on this Tuesday, March 22nd. So if we take a look at our Beaver camera as of around 3:30 this afternoon, you see an overcast sky. That's been the case for most of the day today, and that overcast sky is going to hang around over the next few days. Coming in at 48 with a dew point at 21, that depression there, the difference between the temperature and dew point, that's playing a big role in our current conditions. As you take a look at radar and satellite, it shows some rain showers over southwestern and northwestern Pennsylvania. However, it's having trouble making it to the ground, and the reason for that is because we see such a big difference between the temperature on your left here and your dew point on your right here. So when you see this large of a difference, any light rain that falls has trouble making its way down the ground. It usually evaporates before it does so. Down towards the southwest, notice in Johnstown, 49 over 35, it's not as wide of a gap, and therefore they've actually seen a little bit of light rain this afternoon. However, it has trouble making its way advancing east. However, as we go towards tomorrow, that's going to change. We have a cold front approaching us with some severe storms from Louisiana through Mississippi in that area. Definitely a very considerable threat for tornadoes and gusty winds as we go through the day today and overnight. That's going to move its way. The severe threat's not going to make its way to Pennsylvania as we see it kind of off screen here in Ohio. However, there is still the chance for some thunderstorms across Pennsylvania, especially tomorrow night, particularly across western Pennsylvania as you get closer to this severe threat. And definitely a chance for some downpours across most of the state as well. For tomorrow, it will be some light to moderate rain at times. It's really tomorrow night where that heavier, steadier rain arrives, especially over our neck of the woods. And then as we go towards tomorrow morning, it clears from the area, but it's going to remain unsettled as we go through the next few days. So that storm departs the area. And by Thursday night, there's another shot of rain. It's not going to be as much as Wednesday, but again, another shot at rain. Same thing, rinse and repeat for Friday. By Friday night, a chance for a few isolated showers as well. For Saturday, more of a threat for some precipitation. I say precipitation because there could be a few flakes mixing in there. And as we go towards Sunday, the chance of precip becomes less. However, any precip that does make its way to State College will fall in the form of snow, as it will be much closer to freezing by then. So just looking at potential for some precipitation here. For Wednesday, generally between a ½ inch to an inch across most of Pennsylvania, a little bit less as you make your way north and east. And then pretty much every day from there, we just tack on just a little bit to these amounts. So by around Sunday morning, this is overnight Saturday, that's when most places, especially out west and east, that is, approaching an inch or exceeding an inch of rain in total. Again, most of this falls Wednesday, but you're just going to add on a little bit each day, and there's no day that's really going to remain dry. For tonight, we'll drop down to 37 degrees. We'll keep those overcast conditions. However, by the morning hours, you could see some raindrops with an east wind at 5 to 10 picking up late, and that east wind's going to pick up even more for the day tomorrow. We'll see a high temperature of just 45 degrees with those cloudy skies. Some periods of rain, the heaviest is at night, and getting gusty as well. So let's take a look at these winds. As we go into the day tomorrow, they pick up, but it's really Wednesday night around 9 o'clock that we see the strongest of the wind gusts. We have a 20 in State College and even some 30s and some higher amounts in the Laurels. So definitely going to notice the wind tomorrow night as those heavier downpours move in. As we take a look at that 7-day forecast, again, it remains unsettled as we go into the weekend. And notice we top out at 60 on Thursday. That's going to be the warmest day for the next 7. We take a dive to 52, at least the sun returns on Friday. And then for the weekend, again, the chance for rain on Saturday, more likely here than on Sunday, that is. Could see a few flakes mix in, but definitely a better chance for some flakes on Sunday when we only top out at 37. So you want to talk about a whiplash back to winter, you're looking at it for this Sunday. However, we start to curve back up in terms of temperature. We clear out on Monday, our temperature rises to the middle 40s, and by Tuesday, while we see an increase in clouds, we're talking about a temperature approaching 50, and that trend looks to continue in the extended forecast. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Kevin Appleby. Have a great night.